would you like to play a game with us?
Immert, we'd love to.
No time to Immerts just yet. We're collecting Soothalum to make jam.
Suv. But don't worry, we'll be finished in an hour or so.
Aww.
Ubber first and Immerts later.
Can you do a scavenger hunt with 2 people?
You can, but it's not as fun with just one person on each team.
Aww.
That's it. If our RTÉjr were finished Ubber sooner, then everyone could be like Immert. Why don't we do the Ubber as a team?
Yeah, good idea.
Arriving!
Blast their fad.
Oh, what?
Thanks.
Ooh.
Go hauling.
Mushroom.
Eros.
Guramila Mahaki, Fia and Ameer, for helping with our Ubber.
Fia!
Huh?
I think Cheep Cheep wants to say Gurv Mahagweb as well.
Wow.
It's just like the one we need to find in the game.
I guess the game's already started.